How to serve properly in Volleyball Legends on Roblox. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, we are going to learn the proper way to serve, and that's exactly what I'm going to teach you in this video. So the serving motion might seem complicated at first, but I promise you it's actually quite simple. So once you break it down, and I'm going to walk you through each step to make it clear. There are a variety of different types of serves that you could potentially learn and utilize, ranging from beginner to advanced techniques. However, in this tutorial, I'm going to focus on demonstrating a simple serve, but one that is still very effective and reliable, especially when you're just starting out. First, let's talk about positioning. You're going to want to line up yourself near the right side line of your serving area. Make sure that you leave yourself a little bit of space between your body and the line itself. This will allow you for comfortable movement. And next, before you begin the serving motion itself, take the quick moment to ensure that your camera is positioned straight and is capturing the quick movement. To ensure that your camera is positioned straight and is capturing the correct angle. This will make sure that your serve is accurate. Then when you're ready to execute the serve, aim for maximum power behind your motion, jump upwards, and simultaneously hold the W key to propel yourself and the ball straight forward in the line. Remember, the W key is what keeps your serve straight. Finally, keep in mind that serving in only one direction, you have the ability to easily change the direction of your serve simply by moving and adjusting the angle of your camera, and a small adjustment to your camera can make a big difference in where the ball ends up. So to ensure accuracy, always make sure that you are parallel to the direction in which you intend to serve the ball. This will help you maintain control and hit your target effectively. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.